Hey guys, so I decided to do kind of a get ready with me chit chat life update video. So if you want to see what's been going on with me while I get ready, keep on watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. Just do that now. I'll wait. Alright, enjoy the video. So updates. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. Also, if you want because I haven't posted in so long, I've just been so freaking busy, and I didn't bring my freaking laptop charger with me from school. What an idiot. I'm gonna get a new one probably, but until then, I'm just gonna edit on my phone, I guess, or on my Mac desktop, but I don't always have that, so, but, I just finished up my sophomore year in college. I'm back home now, and we moved out of our house. I'm gonna do an apartment tour once I get everything. We don't have like a couch or anything yet, because whenever we moved, basically we just had to start over. We didn't really have anything besides like the stuff that was in our personal rooms, but like we didn't have a couch, we didn't have a vacuum, we didn't have any dishes. They were all our old roommates. But basically me and Sierra, she's been in some of my videos, she was my roommate in the dorm. We got our own apartment because we just like we don't talk to our old roommates anymore. It was her ex-boyfriend. So yeah. Speaking of ex-boyfriends, I also no longer have a boyfriend. So I'm a single lady. I was talking to this one dude, but things didn't work out. So that's an update with that. And what else? Sophomore year was probably my worst academically. I feel like because I was just really stressed, had a lot on my plate. I was going out with my friends like a lot, and I just really put school second. I didn't do like horrible. I didn't do as good as the other semesters either. Sorry that I'm looking this way, by the way. I suck at looking at the actual camera. But in my new place, we literally moved like down the street. Oh my god, I'm breaking out so bad. It's funny. I literally moved down the street. We got like a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's a lot more expensive. We were paying $150 a month when we had like our other roommates, and now we're paying $375 plus electric and Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna have to find like another job. I have 2 right now, but one of them doesn't give me that many hours, so I'm gonna have to get another one. It's like I have to. And this upcoming semester, I am taking 19 credits, so that's gonna be a lot on me. Like, I only have class on Monday and Wednesday though, so that's really nice. But I have like class all day. I have like 5 classes a day and then 1 online. And they're like big credit classes. Like one of my classes is 6 credits, so it's like 3 hours long or something like that. I don't know. Something like that. So that should be fun. I'm excited to like actually get money and decorate our apartment though. It's pretty cute. Cute little place. Like our first night there, the people under us threw a party and it was really loud. Like, it's fine. Thanks for the invite though. We didn't get invited. Yeah, there's not much to update you on. Like I said, I'm gonna try that cleanse, not only for my skin, like a big part of it is for my skin, but also just because I feel like I've been gaining weight. I don't think I'm fat at all, but I want to get toned up and like fit. So I've been trying to make healthier choices. I was gonna diet, but it's really hard, especially like I said, with all these birthdays and everything. We've been going out to eat like crazy. Plus I just got home, so like my family's been wanting to see me. We've been going out to eat. Like I'm going out to eat after this, but I'm eating healthy. I've been like eating salads and stuff when we go. I think we're going to an organic market that has a cafe, so that's healthy. But oh yeah, I've been trying to go to the gym. Like I'm just really bad at working out. I'm really not fit at all. I can't run longer than like 30 seconds without thinking I'm gonna pass out, because my lungs can't take it for some reason. I don't know what it is. It's like my lungs can't take it. I can't even stay underwater for like more than 30 seconds. It's like weird. But yeah, my eyeshadow is sucking. But I ran 3 miles yesterday. That's good for me. That's all I did though. Well, and I played basketball, so I've been really trying to do a bunch of cardio. I haven't been doing as much weights yet. I'm gonna get back on the weights. I just wanted to start getting into some cardio first, so I can like lose some fat, and it can like tone up my legs still while I'm running. But I want to like flatten out my stomach a little more and my hips, like my sides and stuff. Yeah, I just want to be really like lean and fit. I do. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Ulta, and I'm really excited. I got like this colorful eyeshadow palette. I haven't been like doing my makeup that much lately, but it'd be fun to play with, so I'm really excited. I'll do a haul whenever I get it. And I just went to Goodwill, and I'm gonna do a haul for that too. By the way, I have a rewards card for Goodwill, so like I love Goodwill. I always find the best stuff, and I got this skirt that I'm gonna DIY, and I'm gonna record a video on it. Go ahead and blend all this out. What else? I need to get some purple shampoo for my hair because it's very yellow. I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm literally just gonna upload it like this. But it's like so yellow. I want to get it done, but don't have any money at all. Oh, speaking of money, I'm working this summer. Okay, I was working at the airport, and like I can't do it. So I quit after literally the first day, just because like, first of all, it was too much. You had to go through TSA every single day. I was working at this little chocolate store that's in it called the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Shop, and like I just couldn't do it. I know that sounds so annoying, but it was just too much. I don't like working with food anyways. I don't know what I was thinking. I like suck at working with food, and you had to make the stuff. Not for me. Just put me behind a cash register and I'm good. But I'm working at the YMCA now. Like that's another reason why I quit, because they gave me a bunch of hours. They weren't giving me a bunch. That's why I took the chocolate shop one. But now they are. So like basically our YMCA, one of them is on a lake, and they have the outside open to where you can like get kayaks and paddle boats and canoes, like things like that. You can't swim in it because there's like apparently poisonous snakes and stuff in it, so you don't want to fall in. But I work out there, and so I just help people get their life vests and the equipment, and yeah, I can get my tan on while I'm working. Because I'm trying to get really tan this summer. I wish I went to the pool today, but I didn't. I'm like not too pale. I may look like it on here, but like my foundation is pretty dark. It's 220. It's dark for me. This was my spring break color. It's like a little dark, but it pretty much blends into my neck. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I do that, and then I messaged the lady and asked if there was any more positions open at the Y, so I guess a little more hours. She was like, yeah, I signed you up for lifeguard training next week. I'm not a good swimmer. Not that I'm a bad swimmer, but I can't stay underwater long. But we'll see how that goes. I really don't want to do it just because my face is so bad. I'm gonna be wearing foundation in this lifeguard training. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Maybe it'll clear up a little before then because it's so bad. I can't think of anything else like really to update you on. I can't really talk and do my eyebrows though, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows and be back. My face still looks so bad. Okay, what was I talking about? Or I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, so my birthday just passed. It was last Friday. I turned 20. No longer a teen, so I'm in that adult life. 20 is such a boring birthday. Like, the only fun birthdays are 16, 18, and 21. And I am just 20. And it really sucks because all my friends, and I'm not kidding, every single one of them at school, they're all like older than me. They're all a year ahead of me. They all just turned 21. Well, my roommate hasn't yet, but she does at the end of June. And I'm mad that I just turned 20. They could all go out wherever they want, and I can't. So, a little salty about it. Just a little bit. A little tiny bit. I got this shirt. I don't know if I already said this. I got this shirt from Goodwill. Never worn it. Don't know how I feel about it. It's like, I just ignore my PJ pants, but I like ties. Yeah, I put my shirt on for the video. Didn't put my pants on yet. I have pants on, like you just saw, but not my. I'm just wearing white shorts and then white knockoff Birkenstocks. I got some knockoff white ones and brown ones. I'm not paying $100 for them. They were like 15 bucks for the white ones and 40 for the brown ones. I couldn't find any cheap brown ones anywhere. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put powder all over my face. I am breaking out so bad. But yeah, if you guys want me to film a Q&A, if you have any specific questions that, like maybe about something that I talked about or something, it can be like personal, I don't really care. Just leave those questions below if you have any. If I get enough questions, I'll film one. I'm trying to think of stuff to talk about. I'm sick, by the way. I'm always sick. Always. My allergies are so bad. Tomorrow's my brother's birthday. He'll be 17. He's getting old. I like literally can't believe he's gonna be a senior. It's crazy. And I can't believe I'm going into my junior year of college. I feel like I just started college. But no. Halfway over. Thank goodness. I'm actually gonna do good this semester. Like, I'm not slacking off. Oh my god, my chin is breaking out so bad. It's just crazy because like it never does. I've been wearing blush like crazy. I love blush now. I don't know what it is. I like my face to look sunburnt. Like, I'm not kidding. Oh no, I covered up my freckles. I love when my freckles peek through. Let me just make myself look sunburnt real quick. Whenever I put on my blush and bronzer, it like wipes off the foundation that I just put on, and it's so annoying. But what can I do? Nothing. As you can see, a little sunburn. Oh my god, that's a lot of blush. I just think it looks cute. I don't know what it is. I used to hate on my mom for wearing so much blush, and now I do the same thing. Now I'm using some highlighter. It's actually eyeshadow, I think, but I like it. It's pretty. I love highlight. I literally drown my face in it. If you guys have any video suggestions that you want to see, let a girl know. I have like a bunch written down in my notes that I'm gonna do, and that like me and my brother are gonna do together as well. So stay tuned for that, because they'll be coming soon. I'm just like always too lazy, honestly. I want to get back into posting a lot though, especially this summer if I have time. But I'll make time. I'm gonna make time. Almost done. Time for my mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this so the video is not 20 minutes. Okay, so all done. Besides my hair, I'm just leaving it like this. I literally have not been doing it. I got it cut though. There's another update. It's really short. Where's Jack? Oh, I thought that was Jack's trying to get in. Oh, there's Josh. Interrupting my video. Alright, so yeah, that was it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Just be sure to subscribe and thumbs up. I literally look like a different person at the end of this video. But yeah, see ya.